To love the 2020 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, dual pane panoramic sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, navigation system, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.